Okay, bitch and bride, let's do this.
Okay, so I was thinking, instead of getting married on a beach or a hill, we build a tree house. And we would be above everyone, and there could be butterflies.
Is this one of several ideas? Or...
You hate it?
No. Just maybe other options.
Okay. Well, what about when we were in college? And we used to go skinny dipping in the lake next to campus. Well, what if we all got naked and jumped in together?
We all jump in the water? It's a December wedding. It's cold.
What if I wore a red see-through chemise, and there could be petals, and this is really bad, isn't it?
I think I liked the treehouse idea more. Oh, hey, it's okay. You just need to be more practical. You like nature, right? So you have giant butterfly wings, okay? And the bridesmaids are all caterpillars because we're not you yet. And the groomsmen can have antlers.
Antlers.
Yeah, like the butterflies have. And the priest will be dressed like a frog. I think we're getting somewhere.
I love you.